Exercise 4.3, question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So let's assume that let the present age of Rahman be X years. Now, according to question, Rahman's age three years ago. If present age is X years, then 3 years ago his age was X minus 3 years. And Rahman's age 5 years from now, after 5 years, will be X plus 5. So according to question, we are given that the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. So 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 5 is equal to 1/3. Okay. Now after this, the question becomes similar to the third question number 3 second part, which we have already solved in the previous video. So you can do it by that method and you will get your answer. Now I'm continuing with question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. So find her marks in 2 subjects. So let's do it. I'm doing it by one variable. You can do it by 2 variable also, but since it is quadratic, so at last the equation has to be represented in one variable only. So let Shefali's marks in maths be X. Also, sum of marks in maths and English is equal to 30, as is given in question. So if her marks in maths is X, then marks in English will be equal to 30 minus X. Okay. Now according to question, we are given that if she would have got 2 marks more in mathematics, according to question, marks in maths, if she would have got 2 marks more in maths, so 2 marks more will be, if she has got original marks X, so 2 marks more will be X plus 2, and got 3 marks less in English. So in English she has got 30 minus x. So 3 marks less means 30 minus x minus 3, it is equal to 27 minus x. Then the product of marks would have been 210. According to question, that implies, according to question, product of marks is equal to 210. So marks in maths we have x plus 2, and marks in English we have 27 minus x is equal to 210. So if we multiply both the brackets, 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. That implies 25x minus x square plus 54 is equal to 210. So if we transpose all of this that side, we get x square minus 25x plus 210 minus 54 is equal to 0. So x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. So after this we can do it by either completing the square method, but as some children are saying that if in exam we are not given the name of the method, so we can do it by method of completing the square also. So yes children, we can do it by completing a square, and we can do it by any method of your choice. You can even factorize this also. So in this question I am going to do it by factorization method. So we get x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. I am doing it by middle term splitting. So x is common, I get x minus 13, minus 12 is common, I get x minus 13 equal to 0. That implies x minus 13, x minus 12 equal to 0. That implies if x minus 13 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 13, and if x minus 12 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 12. Okay. So we have the two sets of answer. We have x equal to 12 and x equal to 13. Now, if x is equal to 13, which is the marks in maths, that implies marks in English, which is equal to 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 13, which is equal to 17. And if x is equal to 12, marks in maths, that implies marks in English will be equal to 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. So we will get two sets of answers for two values of marks in maths and English.